Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about how to write a Python program to get the n non-negative integer copies of the first two characters of a given string. So return the n copies of the whole string if the length is less than 2. Yeah, so what you have to do is let me explain this using the simple samples. So let's take string 1 is equals to hello. So this is the string and it is greater than the 2, that is the length is greater than 2. What you have to do is take another variable n, that is number of copies. Let's take 5. So this is a sample copies and sample string. So what you have to do is just take two characters of the string 1, that is he, and you have to copy it 5 times. So yeah, so this is the first scenario, and let's take another string, that is string 2, and it contains only one character, that is less than 2 over here. And let's take the n number of copies as 3, and you have to generate the number of copies, that is 3. So this is the string, you have to return it from the function. So let's try to solve this using the Python program and generate the n number of copies of the first two characters of a given string. Yeah, so let's define a function, that is string underscore copy. You need to pass two things to this function, that is the my string, and another is n number of copies. So give colon, and what you have to return is the first two characters multiplied by the n number of copies. So yeah, so let's take my underscore string to get the first two characters of the string. So if it is less than 2 also it's fine. So this will return only the first two characters, or the if the single character is present in a string, so it will return only one character. So this is the string slicing technique to get the first two characters, and then duplicate it using the star multiply operator for a string and n number of copies. Yeah, so this will get us the n number of copies of the first two characters of a string. So once the function is done, so let's take text variable. So let's ask a user to enter the string using input function call. Let's give enter the string. So once the string is entered, you need to take another variable, that is n, and yeah, you have to ask the enter the number of copies to the user. So this is of integer format, you have to convert these to int. Once this is text and n number of n value you have got, so let's print it something like n copies of string is dot dot dot. So yeah, so let's directly call the above function by passing the text and n argument. So let me call the function, that is string underscore copy, and here you have to pass the text as and the n values. So this is a program to copy the first two characters of a given string with the n times. So let me run this program and let's see how it works. So enter the string, let's say hello world, and enter the number of copies. I need 5 copies. You can see n copies of a string is this he with the 5 times. Let me rerun it again. Yeah, so now let's give k, and I need it 7 times. So you can see number of n copies of a string is k, that is 7 times it has printed. Yeah, so let me rerun it again, and let's give equal number of samples. Let's say okay, and I need 10 times. So you can see OK is printed 10 copies. So yeah, so this is a program to generate the n copies of first two characters. So if it is less than 2 or greater than 2, this code will work fine. So yeah, so that's it in this video. Hope you like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.